the support plan may contain sensitive and confidential information. This video will show you how to make the support plan viewable or not viewable to the student. When you're in an active support plan, you can choose whether or not to share the plan with the student. Note that only members of the administration and the person in charge of monitoring can modify viewing access. You can toggle this switch to activate viewing access to the support plan for students. When a new support plan is added, students do not receive a notification or email automatically. They must log into their portal to access the information. It's therefore your responsibility to inform them, for example, by email. Here's what a student might see in their portal. The My Support Plan link will be on the home page, under the Academic Background tab. The students can comment if they are in charge of a strategy. Now you know how to grant or restrict viewing rights to a support plan for students.